2 of the video. Starting off with this 1964 Parisienne convertible.
Well, we want to thank y'all truly for indulging us and letting us play the new record. And we've had a great time tonight. And we'll leave you on sort of a naughty note.
And then it starts pulling out.
We got a whole row of cars. A real mixture of Fords, GMs. Ranchero, the Ram 1500, GTO. Chrysler MEC, GT350, SS, 63 Impala, Corvette, a red 54 Mercury, Monte Carlo, red 54 Caddy, a 40 Mercury 8, a red 66 Dodge Polara, Buick wagon, a Nova, Chevy 2, '50 Ford, Thunderbird 64, 68 Parisienne 2+2,
I just closed it because I'm going to take
has a 396 325 horse in it, one of 149 made with the same engine tranny combination. 61 Impala, Chevy pickup, 57 Ford hardtop convertible,
I got well started over there. Hey, I got my talking done now. I've seen some of
it. This high school field is just absolutely packed with cars today. And they said they had a record number of cars and people show up. Oh, look at that beauty. Wow.
And guys say Ford's not cool. Yeah, they're
Excuse me?
that one over there. He doesn't mind.
1950 Ford pickup. Got a lot of dollars put into that one. 62 Impala. 55 Chevy 210.
What's the date?
September the 9th.
Cadillac convertible. 61 Impala. '57 Chevy Ambulance. 69 Cougar. Chevy pickup.
This is the Rumble Tanya right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you can give me
47 Ford. 69 Camaro. 39 Chevy. '47 Chevy Fleet Line.
Yeah, that's wow. Wow. You know what that is?
Ford Shelby.
Oh, sorry.
Charger. Genesis. Chrysler SRT. Another Chrysler. Well, I think we're going to end the video quickly because we're just about to the end of the show area. A couple more up here. 66 Parisian two-door hardtop. Got a 283 in it. 442. 55 Chevy.
Well, I didn't hear that.
Malibu. Studebaker. 58 Bel Air. Well, I'm going to call it a day on the video, so I hope you enjoyed the two videos. 62 Ford Galaxy convertible. 390. Very nice. I had a model just like this at home, same color. Very clean. 56 Olds 88. And here's a rare one, a GTO wagon.
Well, I said that. All. Well, yeah. Well, I
6.5 liter. Not every day you see a station wagon GTO.